Hi guys, today I want to show you how to fry my delicious fried chicken with a fryer. These are very easy and quick to use. You can bake, grill, fry, or warm up your food. Remember, this is only for a small portion. Right now, I am going to fry about 12 pieces of chicken wings. And here you can adjust the temperature and time as you desire. I am going to use 200 degrees Celsius and fry about 15 minutes. Yeah, done. 15 minutes. And now you can see beautiful brown crispy chicken. But you have to make sure to flip them over to cook evenly. So I flipped all my chicken to other sides and going to cook about 5 to 10 more minutes. Now you can see beautiful crispy chicken. These are very easy and very delicious.